how are you doing? Hope you're doing fine. My name is Betty for those who are new to this channel, and today's video, guys, I'm doing a makeover for my living room, and I want to start by removing the curtain. I want the curtain rod to be fixed edge to end, because for me this way I see it somehow hanging. So that is what I want to start with, and you will see the transformation of it at the end of this video.
Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you.
So guys, I'm done installing the cutting rods. I think guys I should do that, but right now I want to mop the floor. Yeah, because the couch are not all that dirty, so that we can start doing the makeover. So, and to mop, I'm using this. I'm just adding, I have just added the Topex colored jig and a small amount of down, and now I'm going to add this Dettol.
I can't fix, feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much holding back. I can't do what I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
I have this carpet that I bought from Italy long time ago, and I have never used it, waiting for this day. Yeah, and I haven't even unboxed it. I'm going to do that with you as we are putting it here.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? Now what you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? Now what you think? 'Cause you're in my you love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
I have this coffee table that came as a set of 5 pieces, the bigger coffee table and 4 side stool. I ordered it from Tiana Lois. She's a YouTuber by the name Tiana Lois. She's doing a very good content. You can go and check her. I saw her coffee table and I knew the foodie is going to do a good job out of that. I called her and I told her what I wanted. She called the foodie and they delivered exactly what I wanted. But the only issue that I had, nilikuwa naona the bigger coffee table being so big for my space. But right now I'm so used to it and I love it so much. I'm going to give out Lois' number. If you're interested to have one coffee table, you can talk to her.
Invincible. should throw myself off from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I fade. Cause you won't look after my wounds. I suppose you will never regret it. I should throw myself off from the roof. Cause you fucking love it when I fade.
Thank you so much guys for watching until this point. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and free to share my content. Bye, let's meet in the next one.
Cause you fucking